Yeah, I can see why they issued the flash flood warning. It's because it's raining heavily right now. And there's a lot of winds.
Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Fort Worth, Arlington, Irving, Grand Prairie, Mansfield, Euless, Bedford, Grapevine, Haltom City, Keller, Coppell, Hearst, Burleson, Southlake, Watauga, Colleyville, Benbrook, Saginaw, White Settlement, and Crowley. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on